What to wear and what not to wear has been an internal struggle with all men and women. Are you often confused if a certain outfit is formal enough for work or not? Well, this video will give you just the right answers. Hi, I'm Neha Rakheja, founder of Your Style Coach. If you feel the need to revamp your wardrobe or to add to your style, don't worry, our styling experts will get you the look that you deserve. We also have an ebook on 7 style sins that every Indian man makes and how to correct them, which is out on Amazon. Check out the link given below in the description to grab a copy today. Now I'm sure that you guys know how important it is to pay attention to grooming. It makes a world of a difference in the way people perceive you. If you are well-groomed and well-dressed, the trick is to avoid certain styles at your workplace, not even if they are the in thing. Here are a few examples. Number 1, bomber jackets. No matter how trendy they are, never wear a bomber jacket to your work, especially when you are meeting a client. Bomber jackets only make you look out of place at work, and clients won't take you seriously thanks to your casual dressing. Instead of that, opt for a blazer jacket. Number 2, avoid too bright colors. It's alright to experiment with pastels, but when it comes to deciding what colors to wear at work, try to stick to neutrals. Bright colors should also be avoided as they make you seem an overpowering individual. KEDS or flip-flops are a big no-no. It goes without saying that flip-flops are a huge deal breaker. You can wear brogues, Oxfords or loafers if you want to be comfortable, but no KEDS or flip-flops at work. You are in office, not at the beach. And ladies, you can go with pumps or ballet flats. If you prefer wearing heels, just make sure your heels don't announce themselves before you do. Always avoid wearing big patterns as they are a distraction at work. Go for patterns like a bird's eye, stripes, herringbone, tweed checks. You can also wear a patterned blazer and coat to balance the look with a plain shirt. Number 5th on the list, wear solid colors. Opt for clean solid as much as possible. Make sure that the color of your belt always matches the color of your shoes, or at least belong to the same color family. 6th one, wear the suits that are wrinkle-free. Wrinkles in your suit make you seem like someone who doesn't understand the value of appearances. Meeting the clients in a wrinkled suit is going to put them off immediately. After all, it's always easy to iron a suit, but not a crumbled reputation. Last but not the least, the Friday dressing culture. Some offices have a light dressing or a Friday dressing culture. If so, remember to stick to your smart casuals. They're not only just classy and trendy, but also workplace appropriate. If you have a business meeting, forget about the smart casual. A suit is your go-to pick. Remember, your clothes should make you feel comfortable, but never out of style. After all, your clothes talk to your client before you do. We also conduct Dress for Success workshops for corporate as well as individuals to help them leave an everlasting impressions on their clients. Want to know how? Book a free 30-minute session with us today through the link given below in the description. That's all for this time. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay happy and stay stylish.